So we're going to start with grade 1 maths. So you can find all the lessons on a+students.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 1. There you can find the list of the chapters. So we're going to start with the chapter addition skill builders. And the lessons we're going to cover today are adding 2, adding 3, adding 4 and adding 5. So let's just start with the first lesson, that is adding 2. Let me just write down the lesson name, then we'll start. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Let's start with the first lesson, that is adding 2. Okay, here I am on grade 1 maths. The chapter name is addition skill builders and the lesson I'm going to start with is adding 2. So basically we're going to learn how to add 2 to the numbers. Got it? Let's just start with the first example. It is add 2 plus 8. Got it? So whenever we have to add 2, we have to skip a number. Got it? Like for example, you have to start with 8 plus 2. So skip a number right after 8, that is 9, and the sum of 8 plus 2 is 10. Got it? You have to skip a number between right after the 8, that is 9. So the sum of 8 plus 2 is 10. Got it? So basically to add 2, skip a number. Got it? Like for example, you have to add 2 to 8. So 8, the number you have to skip is 9 and the sum is 10. Got it? You skip the number 9 and the sum is 10. Got it? Okay. The next one is 2 plus 1. You have to do 2 plus 1. So start with 2, skip a number, that is 3, and the next number is 4. That means, start with the 1. Got it? Start with the 1, skip a number 2, and the next number is 3. So 1 plus 2 makes 3. Got it? Or you can add 1. Like 2 plus 1 is, you have to, when adding 1, you have to move on to the next number. So 2, right after 2, the next number is 3. So 2 plus 1 equals 3. Got it? Okay, the next example is add 5 plus 2. You have to add 2 to 5. So start with the 5, skip a number 6, and the sum is 7. Got it? So to add 2, you have to skip a number. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Practice questions actually. Okay, the first number is add 5 plus 2. So you have to add 2 to 5. So you have to add 2 to 5. So start with the 5, skip a number, and then you have 7. Got it? 5 plus 2 makes 7. Start with 5, skip a number, the number you skipped is 6, and the next number is 7. That means 5 plus 2 is 7. Got it? Or either you can start with a greater number is 5, make the lines for the smaller number 5, 6, 7 and count 2 next to 5, that would be then 7. So the sum of 5 plus 2 is 7. Got it? So the correct option is 7. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay. The next one is 9 plus 2. So start with the 9, skip a number. The number you have to skip is 10. So the next number is 11. Got it? 9 plus 2 makes 11. Got it? Start with a greater number. Skip a number that is 10 and the next number is 11. So 9 plus 2 makes 11. Got it? The correct option is 11. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 10 plus 2. So start with a 10, skip a number. So the next number is, we started with 10, skipped the 11. So the sum is 12. Got it? So 10 plus 2 is 12. Got it? So the correct option for this one is 12. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 1 plus 2. So start with 1, skip a number, and the next number is, yes, it is 3. Got it? So 1 plus 2 makes 3. So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is, we have to add 0 plus 2. Got it? So start with a 0, skip a number that is 1, and the next number after skipping is 2. So 0 plus 2 makes 2. Got it? So the correct option is 2. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 2 plus 8. So start with a greater number. The greater number is 8. Skip a number. So when you started with 8, you skipped a number that is 9 and the next number is 10. So your plus 2 is 10. Got it? Okay, 2 plus 6. So start with a greater number that is 6. Skip the next number 7 and the next number is 8. Got it? So the number you have to, when adding 2, you have to skip a number. Got it? So the next number is 8. So 6 plus 2 is 8. Got it? So the correct option is 8. Okay, 2 plus 7. So start with 7, skip a number that is 8 and the next one is 9. So 7 plus 2 makes 9. Very good. So the correct option is 9. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. So that means when adding 2, you have to skip a number. Got it? So 2 plus 3 is, start with 3, the number you skipped is 4 and the next number is 5. Got it? So 2 plus 3 makes 5. And the correct option is 5. Okay, 8 plus 2 is, start with 8. Skip the number 9. So the sum is 10. Got it? So 8 plus 2 makes 10. Okay, 0 plus 2. So start with 0. You skipped 1 and the sum is 2. Very good. That would be 2. 0 plus 2 makes 2. Got it? Okay, the next number is 2 plus 8. So start with the greater number. The greater number is 8. Then we skip 9. So it is 10. Got it? The sum is 10. Okay, the next number is 2 plus 7. So start with 7. The next number is 8. So the sum is 9. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, 10 plus 2 is 12. Got it? Very good. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next number. Got it? The next number is the next lesson. Let me just move on to the next lesson. So if you need more help with the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? The next lesson is adding 3. Now I'm going to learn how to add 3 to other numbers. Got it? Okay, so to add 3, basically we have learned so far how to add 2 and how to add 1. Got it? So now you have to add 3. So first you have to add 2 like the we did just right now, and then you have to add 1 more. Like for adding 2 you skipped 1. Got it? And for the add 1 more, for 1 more you have to move on to the next number. Got it? So let's start with 1 plus 3. Got it? First add 2. For adding 2 you have to skip a number, so the next number is 3. And now you have to add 1 more. 1 more means you have to move on to the next number. So 1 plus 3 makes 4. Got it? So basically you have to skip 2 numbers starting with the number. Whenever you have to add 3, you have to skip 2 numbers. The next number is the sum. Got it? Like you started from 1, you skipped these 2 numbers and the sum is 4. Got it? So 1 plus 3 makes 4. Got it? Okay, the next number is 0. So start with 0. Skip 2 numbers. 1, 2. The next number is 3. That means 0 plus 3 makes 3. Got it? So when adding 3, you have to skip 2 numbers. Got it? So 0 plus 2, 0 plus 3 makes 3. Got it? Okay, the next one is 10 plus 3. So start with 10. Skip the next 2 numbers. They are 11 and 12. And the next number is 13. So 10 plus 3 makes 13. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Okay, the first one is 1 plus 3. So start with 1, skip 2 of the numbers. They are 2 and 3. The next number is 4. That means 1 plus 3 makes 4. Got it? So when adding 3, you have to skip 2 numbers. Got it? So it would be the sum of 1 plus 3 is 4. Got it? So the correct option is 4. Select the correct option and click on the OK button. start with 10, skip two numbers 11 and 12, and the next number is 13. Got it? So the sum 10 plus 3 makes 13. Got it? So keep this very important point in your mind. When adding 3, you have to skip two numbers. Got it? So it would be 13. Okay, the next one is 5 plus 3. So start with 5, skip the next two numbers 6 and 7. So the sum is 8. 5 plus 3 makes 8. Got it? So the correct option is 8. Okay, the next one is 2 plus 3. So start with the 2 and then skip two numbers. They are 3, 4, and the next number is, yes, it is 5. So 2 plus 3 makes 5. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next number is 3 plus 4. So you have to add 3. So start with the 4 and skip two numbers. So right after the 4, you have 5 and 6. You skip these two numbers and the next number is 7. So 4 plus 3 makes 7. The correct option is 7. Got it? So just select the correct option. The correct option is 7 and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next number is 8 plus 3. So start with 8, skip the next two numbers 9 and 10. So the sum is 11. Got it? So 8 plus 3 makes 11. Got it? The correct option is 11. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next number is 0 plus 3. So start with 0 and skip two numbers. The next one is starting with 0, skip 1, 2. The next number is 3. Got it? So the correct option is 3. 0 plus 3 equals 3. Got it? The correct option is 3. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, 10 plus 3. So which is the correct option? Start with 10, skip the next two numbers in the counting. The number you skipped are 11 and 12. So the next number is, very good, it is 13. So 10 plus 3 makes 13. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, then you have to add 3 plus 3. So 3, then skip 4 and 5. So the next number is 6. Got it? So 3 plus 3 makes 6. Okay, 3 plus 2. Start with 2 and add 3, 2, and number you have to skip is 3 and 4. So the next number is 5. Got it? So 3 plus 2 is 5. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, 7 plus 3, start with 7. Skip two next two numbers, they are 8 and 9. So the next number is 10. Got it? So 7 plus 3 makes 10. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, 1 plus 3. So start with 1. So the sum is, yes, it is 4. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, then you have 9 plus 3. So start with 9. Skip the next two numbers, they are 10 and 11. So the sum is, very good, that is 12. 9 plus 3 is 12. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 7 plus 3. So start with 7. Skip the next two numbers, they are 8 and 9. So the next number is, yes, that would be 10. 7 plus 3 makes 10. Got it? Okay, the next number is 4 plus 3. So start with 4. So the sum is, yes, it is 7. So 4 plus 3 makes 7. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. And the next lesson is adding 4. So now we're going to learn how to add 4 to the different numbers. Got it? Okay, so like the first example is you have to add 3 plus 4. Got it? So basically when adding 4, you have to skip 3 numbers, like start with 3, 4, 5, 6 and the next number is 7, or either start with 3, make 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4 and count next to 3 numbers. The next number is 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 plus 4 makes 7. Got it? 3 plus 4 makes 7. Got it? Okay, the next example is 10 plus 4. So start with a 10 and make 4 lines for the 4 and count next to 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 10 plus 4 makes 14. Got it? Okay, the next example is you have to add 4 to 7. 4 plus 7. So start with 7 and 8, 9, 10, 11. So 7 plus 4 makes 11. Got it? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Or you can skip 3 numbers. 8, 9, 10. The next number is 11. Got it? Start with the greater number. Skip the next 3 numbers in the counting. They are 8, 9, 10. So the next number is 11. So 7 plus 4 makes 11. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test questions, practice questions. Okay, the first one is 3 plus 4. So start with 3. Add the next 3 numbers in the counting. So right after 3, the next 3 numbers are 4, 5, 6. So you have to skip 3 numbers and the next number is 7. So that means adding 3 plus 4 is 7. Got it? So the correct option is 7. Okay, the next one is 4 plus 2. So start with 4 and 5, 6. Got it? Just make 2 lines for the smaller numbers and count them together. So start with 4. So for adding 2, you have to skip a number. So right after the 4, you have 5 in counting, skip the 5. So the next number is 6. So 4 plus 2 makes 6. Got it? Because we already learned how to add 1, 2 and 3. Got it? So 4 plus 2 makes 3. 4 plus 2 makes 6. Got it? The correct option is 6. Okay, the next number is 0 plus 4. So you have to add 4. Got it? So start with start with a 0, skip next 3 numbers. The next 3 numbers you have to skip are 1, 2, 3. You have to skip these 3 numbers. The next number is 4. So 0 plus 4 makes 4. Got it? So just select the correct option, that is 4. So the correct option is 4. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, 4 plus 4. So start with the 4 and skip next 3 numbers. They are 5, 6 and 7. The next number is 8. That means 4 plus 4 makes that means 4 plus 4 makes 8. The correct option is 8. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 9 plus 4. So the correct option is start with 9 and skip the next 3 numbers. They are 10, 11 and 12. Got it? So the next number is 13. That means 9 plus 4 makes 13. Got it? Okay, the next number is 10 plus 4. So start with 10, skip the next 3 numbers in the counting. They are 11, 12 and 13. So the next number is 14. So 10 plus 4 makes 14. Got it? So the correct option is 14. So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next number is 2 plus 4. So start with 2 and add. Skip next 3 numbers in the counting. They are 3, 4, 5. So the next number is 6. So that means adding 4 to 2 makes 6. Got it? So 2 plus 4 makes 6. Okay, the next number is 4 plus 8. So start with 8, skip the next